The court setting of the matter between Xolani Khumalo of Moja Love TV and the Nigerian community about the kidnapping and the assault of Silas Ani proceeds today in Johannesburg High Court. The crowd behind me are Nigerian nationals who have come from across the corners of South Africa to seek justice for Prince Silas Ani.
I'm the brother to Mr. Prince Silas Ani, and we are here in court once again for the same question we're asking about where his whereabouts, where did they keep him? Close to 1 month now, we haven't seen my brother. And it's a worrisome situation, and no, it gives us sleepless nights. We can't do nothing without him. He's our father, our brother, our uncle, everything. So we're asking the Honorable Court here in South Africa to please to order the police and the Mojolov and the Khumalo, Xolani Khumalo, IPID, everybody who is involved in this matter to please help us in finding where my brother is.
The attorneys and the advocates will be coming out to address the media regarding the way forward on this case. I am Nelson Chinemeremakachuku for AIETV, African Image Expression, Johannesburg.
No sleeping on the bicycle. Nelson Chinemerem on the article on AIE, African Image Expression TV. Oh, after election day, see where my people day, see where Nigerians stay. In South Africa, follow me for low down story. See, I never thought that you will find someone like you. I will capture the rules, and there's nothing that we can do.
Question hanging in the head of Nigeria and South Africa as they seek for justice for Prince Silas Ani. Does the life of Nigeria and South Africa matter? The case of Prince Silas Ani is raging to be a case study.
What we are having now is that on Friday,
Friday
23rd Friday at 10:30, judgment will be handed on this matter. To summarize what happened, I know not everyone can concentrate and understand what's happening in court. It takes a very long time to understand what's happening in court. What's happening is that we had a situation whereby the Moja Love and Xolani Khumalo's lawyer was saying they were not there. It's the police. And he did not know that we never mentioned them by name. We mentioned them by the description on paragraph 5.4 that I read. And they tried to run away from many other issues. But nonetheless, we did come and address them the best way possible that we could. And we are hoping, I guess you heard when I told the judge that if you don't give us relief, then you mean we must go to the jungle and find justice. And it's not difficult. We can go to the jungle and find justice if the court does not give us justice. And that's not desirable. We say let them be ordered that they tell us where our brother is. If they can't, it's simple. Let them say we don't know or we can't. Then we will know that they can't. But to tell you the honest truth of record, there is a lot going on with this matter. This is not, don't confuse things. This is not a criminal proceeding. This is not a criminal proceeding. This is a civil proceeding whereby we want only disclosure. We'll still go in court and call all the police who were there. Call all individuals who were there. We'll still go to court. The matter is being investigated. So for now, let's hold it the way it is. Friday, 10:30, our matter will be decided. Can I tell you this? Today we did well. You are noted, my brother. Yeah, today we did well. How well did we do today? Because you were in numbers. That's why they said we must come after lunch, because they could feel the weight. It's a matter that was not going to be ignored. We were a force to reckon with today. Now, on that day, which is Friday, 10:30, when the judge said we must come back, it means that we must mobilize more numbers. And
especially women, please.
Yeah, and it's not only Nigerians are not only men in South Africa. Let the saloons of our sisters close. Let's all come. And then some of you, because it's happening to Ani Silas, doesn't mean it will not. I was looking for you, sir. Thank you.
I was behind.
Because of it's happening to Ani Silas, doesn't mean that it will not happen to you. It can happen to anyone. The only thing that we need to be careful of is to ensure that when something like this happens, we are all present. We stand together. And trust me, I applaud you. I applaud you for one thing. I applaud you, Nigerians brothers, especially those in Springs, for not fighting the police, for not taking this the wrong way. Coming to court, it shows maturity on your part. It shows brotherhood, because you know the people who were there. You could have went to their homes, but you did not do that. And I urge with you, let's not do that. Let the law follow its course. After this civil matter, we'll still come with a criminal matter. And definitely somebody will be arrested for this. There is nobody, it will not just disappear. It will reach its possible end. So thank you for today. I think you know Mr. Tony Okori is your attorney. He's the one who gave me the matter. I'm just an advocate here. I'm speaking only in court. They are the ones who have the papers, who serve, who do everything. I'm only here to speak your story. And we did come to Springs, just to put it. We saw everything. You know, last time when I was in court, I wrongly explained the locations. But I did come. I know how everything is. And I know what's the problem.
My question goes like this. Last time when you were in court, you didn't know that the court didn't register our case. They registered as a strike case that we have not registered our case there. Now, in your own book, you have it on your own book, but you did not know that inside the computer, the case is strike off. Inside the laptop, the case is strike off. How comes? Please, I'm asking that to you.
No, it's a very bona fide question. Our case was never struck off. Our case was never dismissed. I came here to address you. If you were here, you were here. I remember you were here. We did speak. We were standing there. Yeah. Our case was struck off. And when our case was struck off, they said it's because they want us to refile it. In refiling it, we must include Moja Love, we must include Xolani, and we must include IPIT. That's exactly what we did. This court order that they have that says our matter is dismissed with cause, it is not really the true reflection of what the court decided on. So in essence, what we are having here, it's a simple thing. This court order, there must be application for variation, that it must be amended. So that actually, we don't even need that anymore, because on Friday there will be another judgment. Eventually it gives variation. So what I heard, and what we had, together with the attorney, is that the matter is struck off, is not dismissed. So we're working on that. And they were just trying to play technicalities. You heard they never spoke anything about the issues. They were going up and down, and we did show them that you're not even reading our papers.
I'm Tony Okudele Okore, from Tony Okore Attorneys Incorporated. I am the director for this law firm, and here with me are my team that works with me in the law firm. And we are the instructing attorneys for this matter. The whole community have seen what has happened. I don't want to say so much because certain things are sensitive now to the public, but this is victory for justice, for Silas. One of the things that strike out in this matter was that if this court does not help us, who will help us? As we speak, the body is missing. We don't have closure. All we ask is that we want to know where Silas is, dead or alive. And if these people does not give us what we want, who else do we want run to? Will the community now take the thing take recourse in their hands? So for me, I think we have given our best in disclosing everything that the court wants. When they were talking about case dismissed and all those stuff, Tony Okore, received this thing overnight. And God bears me witness as an attorney under oath. When this matter was adjudicated, is it 2 weeks ago? 2 weeks ago, it was said matter struck off the roll so that we can go and get enough further evidence. And that is why we came with the same court case number. We came with the same court case number. We added all the parties that are involved, and now they're telling us matter is dismissed. I think there is an error somewhere, but however, we will go forward. And in going forward, we will try our best to make sure that that variation of that judgment is sorted. And we believe that in terms of judgment, victory will be sure for Mr. Silas. Many a time, yes, it's true that Nigerian lives matter, and it has been taken for granted because of a pre-mindset that the community in South Africa has given to us. But I want to assure you, this case will set a precedence. Never again will anybody from any particular organization come to harass, come to maim, come to hit, come to hurt, come to assault any member of the Nigerian community in South Africa. I think this case is going to be a precedent. We are not resting. It's not about me. It's not about anything. It's not about who is here and who is not there. It's about justice. It's about human lives. Here lies a man that we are looking for, having 4 kids with a family. And we can't find the body, and people are here talking something about technicality. So never again will this kind of thing happen. I can testify here, it happened in Richards Bay. I was the lawyer that took on this person. And now it wants to start again. I say, and I put my foot down, never again will it happen. Thank you very much.
Yeah, my name is Olabi Adekunle Oshikoya from Tony Okore Anthony. I'm a legal consultant in Tony Okore Anthony. My message to the Nigerian government is to try as much as possible to have the interests of their people at mind, because that is the only thing that can be able to make Nigeria to be safe and to be being a good citizen in any country they are. Because the government is trying their best, but their best is not enough. Because we have approached the relevant office in the Nigeria embassy, and we have approached them, and they have given us their word that they are going to try their best to be in this matter.
AIE TV, an expression of African image, culture, and belief.